Much for the comments. Let's talk about MCP today. If you are watching this video, I assume you already understand the concept of MCP. It provides an external tool ability for your agent. You don't have to write your own tools in this case. There are two ways to host a server work with MCP with your agent. One is to host the server locally. Another one is to connect to the remote one. Let's talk about the remote one because that might be the easiest one. And let's get things started. And I will explore more in the future videos. This is the website where I get my MCP server list. Uh, yeah, MCP server list. Let's pick a easy one, time MCP server. So this server is doing something very simple. Get the current time and maybe do the time conversion. What you need to do is to here, if you are the first, if you for you're the first time looking at this page, you will see a connect button. Click that one and copy this URL. Let's go back to the code. This is how I structure my MCP server to work with the agent. I pause the video and see how it works and how we can provide this ability to your own scenario. I have MCP servers here. I copy paste that URL to here, and I'm creating a agent. And I want agent to use the tool to get real-time questions. Right now, I'm commenting out all those two things because I want to show you the differences with and without the MCP server. I'm asking a question: what is the current time in Tokyo? Let's run this agent. It says I cannot provide real-time information, which is expected. ALLM does not have the ability to explore the real-time data if you don't provide any other, tools. Let's uncomment on this thing and run it again. Now getting the result, that means the server is connected correctly and is used correctly. Thanks for watching.